One of my favorite books is called Coming Apart by Charles Murray. And that book really underscores how the cultural milieu that people swim in when they attend a 4-year college degree and the trajectory of their life, not only on where they move to, who they marry, what type of grocery store they go to, their cultural, what television shows that they watch. One of my favorite questions from Charles Murray is called a bubble quiz. I encourage people to go take it, by the way, which it asks you a question. It's like, what does the word Branson mean to you? And it has a couple of answers. One of them is Branson is Richard Branson, Sir Richard Branson. Number 2 is Branson, Missouri, which is like a country music tourist style destination. 3 is it means nothing. So you are less in a bubble if you say country music, and you're very much in the bubble if you say Richard Branson. And I remember taking that test for the first time. I go, obviously, Sir Richard Branson, Virgin Atlantic. Like, what? And then I was like, wait, I'm in the bubble. And there are other things in there, like, can you name various different military ranks? I can because I'm a history nerd, but the vast majority of college educated people don't know anybody who served in the United States military. They don't have family members who do. The most popular shows in America are like The Big Bang Theory and NCIS, whereas people in our probably cultural milieu, our favorite shows are White Lotus, The Last of Us. This is prestige television, right? With a very small audience, but high income, high education. So the point is that culture really defines who we are as Americans, where we live. And rural, urban is one way to describe it, but honestly, with the work from home revolution and more rich people and highly educated people moving to more rural, suburban, or areas they traditionally weren't able to commute in, that's changing. And so really, the internet is everything. The stuff that you consume on the internet, the stuff that you spend your time doing, type of books you read, whether you read a book at all, frankly, whether you travel to Europe, whether you have a passport, all the things that you value in your life, that is the real cultural divide in America. And I actually think that's what this revolution of Donald Trump was activating and bringing people to the polls, bringing a lot of those traditional working class voters of all races away from the Democratic Party along the lines of elitism, of sneering, and of a general cultural feeling that these people don't understand me and my struggles in this life.